Hey guys, Kelvin here from Kenwood, and today I want to talk to you guys about our shallow mount subwoofer, the KFC-XW1000F. Stay tuned to learn more. Right, so the KFC-XW1000F is a 10-inch mount subwoofer. Now it is a shallow mount subwoofer as well that runs at about 4 ohms or so. Now this is a 250 watt RMS subwoofer with a frequency response of 35 all the way up to 800 hertz. Now one thing that I did want to throw out there as well is that this subwoofer in particular uses a very small needs a very small footprint for cubic space in an enclosure. So it needs about 0.6 cubic feet for the 10-inch subwoofer. And last but not least, it does only need less than 4 inches of depth to successfully mount. And last but not least as well, I did want to throw out there that the 10-inch subwoofer is specific for Canada. However, in the States over here, we get a 10 and a 12-inch variant. So there you have it, guys. That's some brief information about the KFC-XW1000F. If you did want to learn more, head on over to kenwood.com to check it out.